Welcome to Inky Pinky Explorers.
Bruno the bear builds a bridge. In a bright and cheerful place called Sunny Forest, lived a big, friendly bear named Bruno. Bruno was not only strong, but also very smart. He loved to build things using sticks, stones, and vines. The other animals in the forest always admired Bruno's work. One sunny morning, a little lamb named Lulu came running through the meadow. She had some troubling news. The wooden bridge that helped the animals cross the river to the blueberry patch had broken. The animals were worried. How would they get their favorite juicy berries now? But Bruno had an idea. He decided to build a new bridge. Not just by himself, but with help from his forest friends. He knew that when everyone worked together, great things could happen. First came Toby the turtle. Slow and steady, Toby could carry heavy stones on his strong shell. Then came Sally the squirrel. She was fast and full of energy. She could zip across trees and tie strong vines between the branches. Lulu the lamb also wanted to help. She had a gentle heart and a big smile. She collected twigs, sang cheerful songs, and kept everyone happy while they worked. Bruno gave each animal a special job. Everyone was different, but together they made a perfect team. They worked all day carrying, tying, building, and laughing. Soon, a beautiful new bridge stretched across the river. It was strong, safe, and made with love. The animals cheered with joy. They crossed the bridge happily and picked sweet, ripe blueberries on the other side. They shared them with one another and even gave some to the birds and bunnies. That day, the animals learned something very important. When you work together, even the hardest problems can be solved. And so, in the heart of Sunny Forest, a new bridge was built not just with wood and vines, but with teamwork, kindness, and care. Moral of the story: everyone has something special to give. When we help each other, we can build anything, even happiness.